Hey folks, hope your Valentine's Day has been great. Kind of hard to see your Valentine if you're along the coast right now because the fog is dense and will be most of the night. A dense fog advisory in effect for the immediate coastline, then all the way back into Willacy and Cameron counties. And again, it's in effect until 6 a.m. Visibility is down to near zero in many locations. Here's what we're showing right now. 0.3 of a mile right at the coast, about a mile up and down the I-69 E corridor, and even Edinburgh reporting a mile, and McAllen 1.3. So visibility is starting to kind of fade away, and especially along the coast is going to be particularly dense tonight. Now, as far as clouds go, the only clouds we're seeing are the ones on the ground right now, and that's the fog. You don't see many high clouds coming across at all, but Future Track says things do thicken up overnight tonight, and likely we'll see a lot of cloud cover overnight during the first part of the day tomorrow, but then by midday, poof, clouds go away, sun comes back. Turns out to be a pretty nice day, and temperatures will warm up pretty dramatically because of the southerly wind coming up. So by tomorrow afternoon, we're likely back in the 80s again. Friday, we do it again. A lot of clouds early, but they're gone by noon. We're back to partly to mostly sunny again. In fact, Friday could just be the sunniest day of the bunch. Our front's going to stall to the north, but it may be close enough late Friday night, early Saturday to during the overnight hours, maybe trigger a brief shower nearby. A vast majority, if not all the rain, will stay north of us, but we could see a quick shower here. But again, I think we're looking at the best chances Friday night, Saturday morning, so kind of in between the 2 days here. I think daytime hours should stay pretty much dry. These are the current temperatures across the valley right now. 69 in McAllen and Edinburgh, a little cooler when you get to Harlingen, Raymondville, and Port Isabel. Brownsville 69 as well. Low temperatures go nowhere, mid-60s, that's about it overnight. And then tomorrow, look at these highs. Back to the way it was on Saturday, back in the mid-80s again. A warm day with, again, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Should warm up quite nicely. And tomorrow, we're just getting started because look at Friday and Saturday. They're up there as well. Temperatures in the mid-80s again each of the next few days. Here's a look at your temperatures across the rest of Texas right now. 65 all the way up in Dallas. Temperatures are in the 70s and even 80 plus up in parts of North Texas today. A sign that the warm air is really spread northward. We're going to stay warm. They're not. Front pushes away, warm front does. Cool front moves into the state tomorrow. It pushes south and eastward by Friday, and the panhandle gets chilly again. Front makes it down to about Corpus Christi on Friday night and Saturday, and then stalls. We stay warm. They cool off. Pretty good contrast across the state. By Sunday, things don't change much. The next front will really cool things off. Looks like it'll probably come in maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, maybe Wednesday of next week. So tonight, fog and a little bit of drizzle kind of mixed in with it, but nothing measurable, a low of 67. Then tomorrow back to 86, warmer with partly cloudy skies, winds primarily out of the south-southeast. Here we go, 86, 85, 85 the next 3 days. Sunday, same thing. Monday, about 86. You look at Tuesday, we're still 88, and by Wednesday, a little cooler, about 75 degrees by then. That number subject to change as we get closer to it. The fronts, again, kind of fighting about whether it'll come through the valley or not. If it does, how much cooling it will have with it. Tonight, a dense fog advisory in effect. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel?